Hey guys, welcome back to Eating Good with Rick and Jerry. Today we have for you a garlic parmesan broccoli. This is really delicious. So you're going to need 2 heads of broccoli broken into florets, just like that. 4 tablespoons of butter, which is half a stick, or you can use margarine. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And in a cup, combine the garlic and the butter, and then microwave it for about 20 seconds. Place the broccoli on a large baking pan, just like that. And then get your melted butter and garlic and pour it all over the broccoli. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit. And then get half a cup of Parmesan cheese and sprinkle it all over the broccoli heads right on the top. Now cover with aluminum foil as we're going to cook it in the oven. And we're going to set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to bake it for about 10 minutes. So after that 10 minutes, remove it from the oven, remove the aluminum foil, and cook for another 5 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees. And this is to get the Parmesan cheese all crispy. Now remove from the oven. As you can see, ours isn't that crispy, but the edges did get kind of crispy. And it's ready to serve. Just like that, guys. It's very easy to make. And it's so delicious. Check that out. You can see the Parmesan cheese right on top. Can't get any better than that. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like these videos and you want to see some more, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. It helps the channel a lot. And I want to thank you guys for watching again. Subscribe and like. Here is our subscribe button right here, and more videos in case you want to see them. I'll catch you guys on the next video.